Miles, what are you doing?
Alfie.
He's not there.
Come on.
There's no one there.
Push it. That's his nose. That's the puppy's nose.
Connie, it's so good to see you.
Oh, so good to see you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?